Every morning we witness a celestial drama unfold. The sun, our nearest star, emerges from the horizon, painting the sky with hues of gold and crimson. This daily spectacle, the sunrise, marks the beginning of our day. As evening descends, it dips below the horizon in a blaze of glory, marking the sunset. This cycle of sunrise and sunset has been a constant throughout human history. But have you ever stopped to wonder why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west? Section 2. Unveiling the Cosmic Ballet. It's not the sun that moves. Our ancestors believed that the Earth was the center of the universe and that the sun revolved around us. Thanks to astronomers like Copernicus and Galileo, we now know that it is the Earth that revolves around the sun. The Earth orbits the sun in an elliptical path, completing one full revolution in approximately 365.25 days. This journey, combined with the Earth's rotation on its axis, gives rise to the seasons and the variation in the length of day and night. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of approximately 23.5 degrees, known as the Earth's axial tilt. This tilt is the primary reason why we experience different seasons. Section 3. Earth's tilt, the architect of sunrise and sunset variations. The Earth's axial tilt has a profound impact on the location of sunrise and sunset. During the equinoxes, the sun rises due east and sets due west everywhere on Earth. During the solstices, the points of sunrise and sunset are furthest from due east and due west. During the June solstice, the northern hemisphere experiences its longest day, and the sun rises and sets at its northernmost points on the horizon. Conversely, during the December solstice, the northern hemisphere experiences its shortest day, and the sun rises and sets at its southernmost points. Across the globe, a tapestry of sunrises and sunsets. The experience of sunrise and sunset is not uniform across the globe. Our location on Earth dictates the time of sunrise and sunset, the length of day and night, and the direction in which the sun appears to move across the sky. At the equator, the sun rises due east and sets due west throughout the year. As we move away from the equator towards the poles, the variations in day length become more pronounced. At the poles, the sun circles the horizon during the summer solstice, never setting, and remains below the horizon during the winter solstice, never rising. This phenomenon, known as the midnight sun and polar night, creates unique and extreme lighting conditions. Life's rhythms chasing the sun. The sun's daily journey across the sky is not just a celestial spectacle, it's the very heartbeat of life on Earth. Plants harness the sun's energy through photosynthesis, converting sunlight into chemical energy that fuels their growth and sustains ecosystems. Animals, including humans, have internal clocks known as circadian rhythms, synchronized with the cycle of day and night. These rhythms regulate biological processes, including sleep-wake cycles, hormone release, and body temperature. The changing seasons, brought about by the Earth's tilt and its orbit around the sun, also have profound effects on life. Many plant and animal species have adapted to these seasonal changes with behaviors such as migration, hibernation, and flowering timed around the length of day and night. Cultural reverence, the sun in human stories. Throughout history, the sun has been a powerful symbol in human cultures worldwide. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, the sun has been revered as a deity, a source of life, and a symbol of power, hope, and renewal. Ancient Egyptians worshipped the sun god Ra, who was believed to sail across the sky each day in a celestial boat. The Aztecs honored the sun god Huitzilopochtli, who they believed needed human sacrifices to continue his daily journey across the sky. In many cultures, the rising sun represents rebirth, new beginnings, and the triumph of light over darkness. The sun's cycle, with its promise of a new dawn after each night, has inspired countless myths, legends, and artistic expressions.